Have you ever dreamed of walking away from the life you're living right now and completely reinventing yourself? Maybe you're stuck in a rut surrounded by people or habits that drain you, and you know deep down that something has to change. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disappear, not to run away, but to transform yourself into someone you're proud to be. If you've been waiting for permission to reset your life, this is it. At some point, we all feel trapped. Trapped in routines that don't inspire us, relationships that weigh us down, or environments that stifle our growth. When I talk about disappearing, I don't mean vanishing without a trace or avoiding responsibilities. Instead, I mean stepping away from what no longer serves you and re-emerging as a better version of yourself. Think of it like a caterpillar entering its cocoon. It doesn't disappear forever. It transforms and comes back stronger, more vibrant, and completely unrecognizable. That can be you. In this video, we'll break down the process step by step. By the end, you'll have a complete guide to letting go of what holds you back and creating a life that feels authentic and fulfilling. The first step in disappearing and transforming is to take a hard, honest look at where you are right now. This can be uncomfortable, but clarity is key. Self-audit exercise. List your pain points. Write down everything about your current life that you'd like to change. Is it your job, your health, your relationships, or even your mindset? Identify what's non-negotiable. While you might want to escape everything, some responsibilities, like supporting a family, might remain. These can be incorporated into your new vision rather than discarded. Spot patterns. Notice recurring issues. Are you constantly drained because of toxic people? Do you feel stuck because of poor habits? Awareness is the first step to change. Why it's crucial. Understanding the specifics of your dissatisfaction helps you avoid repeating the same mistakes in your next chapter. Now that you know what you don't want, it's time to focus on what you do want. Think about the life you'd love to live. Visualization techniques. Define your ideal day. Imagine your perfect day, from the moment you wake up to when you go to sleep. What are you doing? Who are you with? Set clear goals. Break down your vision into categories: career, health, relationships, and personal growth. What would success look like in each area? Create a vision board. Use images, quotes, and reminders to keep your dream life front and center in your mind. Pro tip. Your vision doesn't have to be grandiose. The goal is to create a future that feels aligned with your values and passions. Transformation requires shedding the weight that's been dragging you down. This is often the hardest part because it means letting go of people, habits, and environments that feel familiar, even if they're toxic. Toxic relationships. How to identify them. If someone consistently makes you feel worse about yourself, dismisses your growth, or adds drama to your life, it's time to distance yourself. How to let go. You don't have to burn bridges. Gradually limit contact and shift your energy toward supportive people. Destructive habits? Replace, don't erase. Instead of quitting bad habits cold turkey, replace them with healthier alternatives. For instance, swap mindless social media scrolling with reading or journaling. Accountability systems. Use apps or enlist a friend to help you stay consistent. Negative environments. If your physical environment feels suffocating, consider making changes, whether that's moving to a new city or simply rearranging your living space to make it more inspiring. Disappearing doesn't mean vanishing without a trace. It's about stepping back from distractions and focusing on your transformation. Digital detox. Take a break from social media. Announce a hiatus if necessary, or simply log out without explanation. Audit your online presence. Remove old posts or content that no longer represents who you are. Limit communication. Set boundaries. Politely decline invitations or conversations that don't align with your goals. Focus on inner work. Use this time to reconnect with yourself instead of seeking external validation. Create a timeline. Set realistic deadlines for your transformation milestones. For example, Week 1, start journaling daily. Week 2, begin a new fitness routine. Month 1, launch a new skill-building project. Transformation is about becoming, not pretending. To truly change, you need to embody the habits, values, and mindset of your future self. Physical changes. A new haircut, wardrobe, or fitness routine can signal a fresh start, not just to others, but to yourself. Take pride in your appearance as a reflection of your inner growth. Mental shifts. Replace negative self-talk with empowering affirmations. Embrace a growth mindset by viewing challenges as opportunities to learn. Behavioral upgrades. Start showing up differently, speak with confidence, listen more actively, and practice kindness. These subtle shifts can have a profound impact on how you're perceived and how you perceive yourself. One of the most empowering ways to transform is to learn something new. This keeps your mind sharp and expands your sense of possibility. Where to start high-value skills? Choose skills that enhance your career or personal life, like public speaking, coding, or financial literacy. Creative outlets. Try hobbies like painting, writing, or playing an instrument to express yourself and relieve stress. Health and fitness. Learn about nutrition, exercise, and mindfulness practices to support your physical and mental transformation. Your environment has a powerful influence on your behavior. To change yourself, you often need to change where you spend your time. Relocation. If feasible, move to a place that aligns with your new goals, whether that's a bustling city or a quiet town. A change of scenery can reignite your sense of adventure and possibility. Redesign your space. Declutter your living area to create mental clarity. Add elements that inspire you, like motivational quotes, plants, or a dedicated workspace. Build a new network. Join communities that align with your interests and aspirations. Surround yourself with people who challenge and uplift you. Transformation isn't a one-time event. It's the result of small, consistent actions taken over time. So how do you stay consistent? First, track your progress. Use a journal or app to monitor your habits and celebrate milestones. Next, create routines. Establish morning and evening routines that set the tone for your day and reinforce your goals. And stay patient. Remind yourself that progress takes time. Focus on the journey, not just the destination. As you transform, you'll face setbacks, doubts, and challenges. The key is to build resilience so you can keep moving forward. How can you build resilience? Practice gratitude. Focus on what's going well in your life to counteract negativity. Learn from failure. Treat mistakes as lessons instead of reasons to quit. And finally, seek support. Don't hesitate to lean on trusted friends, mentors, or therapists when you need help. Once you've gone through the process of transformation, it's time to step back into the world. How to reintroduce yourself. Lead by example. Let your actions reflect your growth instead of trying to convince others you've changed. Reconnect with confidence. Engage with people and opportunities that align with your new vision. Keep evolving. Transformation is an ongoing journey. Stay open to learning and growing. Disappearing and transforming yourself isn't about running away. It's about stepping into the life you truly deserve. By assessing your current situation, creating a vision for your future, and committing to consistent growth, you can become the person you've always wanted to be. If you're ready to take the first step, start small. Identify one area of your life to improve this week, and don't look back. For more guidance on self-improvement and transformation, check out my video on 10 life lessons men learn too late in life. It's packed with wisdom to help you avoid common pitfalls and accelerate your growth. Thank you for watching, and remember, transformation is always possible. It starts with you. The beauty of transformation is that it doesn't have to happen overnight. Small, consistent actions compound over time, creating a version of yourself that you might not even recognize a year from now. It's not about being perfect. It's about being better than you were yesterday. If you're serious about disappearing and reinventing yourself, here's a final tip. Embrace the unknown. Change can feel scary because it forces you to step out of your comfort zone, but that's where the magic happens. The most rewarding experiences in life often come from taking risks and challenging yourself to grow. As you move forward, remember that you don't owe anyone an explanation for your transformation. This journey is yours. People may question your choices or try to pull you back into your old ways, but stay focused on your vision. The more you align your actions with your goals, the less their opinions will matter. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on self-improvement and personal growth. Let me know in the comments. What's one thing you'd change about your life starting today? I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep pushing forward and believe in your ability to transform.